how to set up an email account in Crazy Domains using cPanel. Simply log into Crazy Domains account. Press on the web hosting package that you have. And we need to access our control panel and log into our cPanel. I'll show you a quick trick. If you know your cPanel option, this will definitely be handy. You can visit your website and just say cPanel. And here you can log into cPanel as well using that trick. And here in the management option we have quick links to our cPanel. To create a professional email address, all we need to do is locate emails. Let's press email accounts. Let's press create. Simply provide a name and generate a strong complex password. And then press create. And then you'll have a professional email address for your domain, free of charge, because cPanel Linux hosting gives you, the basic package gives you up to 5 email accounts. While here, I'll show you a couple of tips. Let's press on spam filters. Here we can press on additional configuration. Let's press on that. And here you have whitelist. Let's edit whitelist. Here what you want to do is you want to add your own email address. Perhaps you have Outlook email address or you got Gmail address. If that's the case, it's in your best interest to add them to the whitelist. So this is how you create a professional email address. To access your email address, you can press on email accounts. And here it says check email. So you can press on that and it will log you in to your webmail. While here, do keep in mind, this is your email management here. Most of these things you will not need to use. Apart from the spam filters, that's definitely helpful. And you create your email accounts here. But for whatever reason, if you want to forward an email address to a different one, you can use add forwarders. Or perhaps you may have seen people emailing you as soon as you sent an email using their website. That is through autoresponders. So you can set that one up here as well. For more Crazy Domains related tutorials, definitely check out Rankia YouTube channel.